So in this question, we are asked to find the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line passing through the 2 points 7, 5, and -2, 8. So the goal here is to find our slope-intercept form. So we want to look for the equation y is equal to m times x plus b. And this is where m is representing the slope, so the rate of change of this line, and then b is our y-intercept, so where the graph of the line is crossing the y-axis. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope. So we'll label our points here. We'll say that this first ordered pair is x sub 1, y sub 1, and our second point is x sub 2, y sub 2. So we will go ahead and find the slope. So the slope equation, or formula, is defined as the change in the y values, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, divided by the change in the x values, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And plugging in what we have 8 minus 5, and this is divided by a -2 minus 7. So 8 minus 5 leaves us with 3. In the denominator, we have -2 minus 7 for a -9. And since both terms are divisible by 3, we are left with -1/3 as our slope. So we're now ready to go ahead and find the slope-intercept form here. So we're ready to find the equation of the line. So we need to choose one of our points, and either one will work here. I'll go ahead and we'll consider the ordered pair x, y, and let's choose our first point. We'll do 7, 5. And then we just found our slope in the first step here to be -1/3. So we'll plug these into our slope-intercept form. So using the y is equal to m times x plus b, we let y be equal to 5, and that's equal to -1/3 for our slope, multiplied by the x value 7 plus b. So at this point, we're ready now. We're going to solve for that y-intercept b. So we have 5 is equal to -7/3 plus b. And we'll go ahead here and we will add 7/3 to both sides of the equation. So we have -7/3 plus 7/3, which will combine to 0, leaving us with 5 plus 7/3 is equal to b. And then in order to combine these two constants, we need a common denominator. So we'll rewrite 5 as 5 by 1, and we'll multiply the numerator and denominator here by 3. So we now have that b is equal to 15 divided by 3 plus 7 divided by 3. So now that we have matching denominators, we can rewrite this as 15 plus 7 over 3, which is going to leave us with b is equal to 22/3. So that is our y-intercept. And we can say, therefore, the slope-intercept form of our line passing through these 2 points is y is equal to -1/3 times x plus 22/3. And that is our beautiful final answer.